What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today I'm gonna take you to the top of the world, up to the Arctic Ocean, to Barrow, Alaska. Let's go. Later, tweets. See you in a couple days. Right. I just realized I'm gonna be gone for a few days, so I'm gonna turn off the fridge in my camper real quick. Off. Oh yeah, this is my camper. If you guys haven't seen it, it's small but cozy. Built it a couple years ago. Do all my adventures out of it. Anyway. Let's go. So we are on our way north to Barrow, Alaska, which is basically the top of the United States of America. And the reason we're going up to Barrow is I do DMV road testing for a living. I don't work for the DMV, I work for another company that does DMV road testing. So I'm going to go up to Barrow and I'm going to be testing people in the vehicle to see their driving skills and see if they can actually pass a road test. And that's why we're going there. There is a DMV in Barrow, Alaska, but they stopped doing road tests when COVID came about. So people have not been able to get their license for quite some time there. One thing that the company does that I work for is fly out to remote villages in Alaska and do road testing like we're gonna be doing here, just to help out the people in the village and help them get a license. So we just left Girdwood. We get about half an hour to get to Anchorage, to the airport. Beautiful day out. It's gonna be a gorgeous day to fly. This is all turning an arm out here. I just heard word with Barrow that the last couple flights were canceled out there because of the ice fog in the ocean, so hopefully I can make it there today. We'll see. We're here at the Anchorage Airport, leaving the car behind, and we're off to Barrow. Let's go get through security and get on the plane.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're happy to welcome you to Barrow. Okay, well, we'll let everyone. How many more?
Hey, sorry, I saw the other one over there. I was like, ah!
How are you? Oh,
pretty good.
That's a good
driving.
Oh, you good? Okay.
Yep. I remember last year the same happened.
Oh yeah, like 4 days or something.
Remember? Well, the first time the plane comes is Friday.
Oh really?
Yeah, they canceled Saturday and yesterday.
Just the ice fog?
Yes.
I guess.
Yep. And
Yeah,
here that was nice, but I think that was really thick.
Yeah, they almost didn't board us. They made us sit there like an extra 30 minutes, you know, and like, oh, there's still ice fog. Like, we don't know.
Jeez.
Was it nice most of the day though, or no?
That was beautiful this morning. Now started getting like that, but that was really beautiful all day.
You know what's really crazy is it's the middle of June right now, and it's still 30 degrees Fahrenheit up here, so it's still getting below freezing in the daytime and definitely at night. So there's still a ton of snow out here. Here we are at the college. So this is where I'll be staying. I'm in the dorm rooms over here. Apparently planes have not been able to land or leave here the last 4 days. They had to cancel 4 days of flights, which is pretty nuts. So it's been pretty bad weather. Since it's right in the Arctic Ocean, there's a lot of ice fog that comes in. So it just creates this crazy fog, freezing fog that you can't see in, and yeah, creates all kinds of problems for planes landing. So here we go. Home sweet home. This is the dorm room that I get to stay in. Like I said, I'm here to do driving tests. I'm here to help people get their driver's licenses that need it by giving them a road test. So we're not doing that today, that's tomorrow. So I get to relax this evening and kind of go check out the town a little bit. I'm gonna get myself settled in here and then we'll go grab some dinner. There's a view out the window. Ton of snow still. Time to go get dinner. Let's go. So I'm gonna give Sam and Lee's a call, which is my favorite restaurant in Barrow. They serve Chinese food, Thai food, basically a whole smorgasbord of different Asian foods, and it's pretty tasty. I had sweet and sour chicken one time, and that was pretty good there, so let's try that again. Super stereotypical order, but let's get it anyway. Hey, it's gonna place an order for a pickup. Just a sweet and sour chicken. Yeah, that's it. All right. That's funny. They didn't give me a price or the time to come grab it or get my name or a phone number or anything. I just order sweet and sour chicken and they make it and I just show up sometime. That's how they roll. So let's go for a little drive around Barrow, because number one, I need to double check the road test route for tomorrow to make sure it's going to work. And number two, I just want to show you guys some of Barrow. Let's go check it out. It's really cool. There's a huge bowhead whale skull right there. An old tugboat. Got all the old connexes. As you can see, there is quite a bit of snow still out here. It's still melting, which is pretty crazy for the middle of June. We have this much snow out here. And you can also see, because we're right at sea level and things are always flooding around here, you can see that most of the houses are actually on stilts, like that one. Most of the foundations are up on stilts, even the large buildings. And a lot of people don't have cars. A lot of people have four-wheelers to get around just because it's a little more efficient, and easier, and way cheaper to get out here. And cars, you do see a lot of junk cars out here because once they break down, if you can't fix it yourself or can't find someone to fix it, it's pretty much game over. And there is the Barrow School right there. This is where all the kids go to school. Now to the left, this is all just the town sewage and the water treatment plant, basically the big pond out there, the big holding pond. There's one of the two auto shops in town. There's a Napa down the road a little ways. Right here is one of the most expensive grocery stores in North America. It's pretty nuts, but let's go check it out. As you can see, it's not very cheap to live here, especially if you get to eat, which you do. This place is pretty cool if you haven't visited Barrow. It's a good place to just come check stuff out and just see some of the history of town. The skull of a whale right there, pretty crazy. There's the coin laundry right there if you're gonna do laundry. That's the place to do it. There's the village basketball court playground. And right beside it here is the fire station. Right now we're just kind of rolling down one of the main strips here that's gonna lead us towards downtown Barrow. You can see all the four-wheelers driving by us too. There's the US Post Office right there. Pretty cool. See if I can get mail in and out. And probably the largest hotel in town right there. Top of the world. And also one of the other decent restaurants is in that place. A little coffee shack right there. There comes a four-wheeler. Rallying right out on the street. You can tell the four-wheelers are pretty much just as fast as cars are too. Here's the Wells Fargo here. This is the only bank in Barrow. So if you're doing money stuff, that's the place to do it. And this is downtown Barrow right here. Not a whole ton going on. And the restaurant we're gonna go to is right here at Salmon Lee's. This is my favorite place to go. Yeah, it's in a pickup. It's just on a sweet and sour chicken.
22.
All right, man.
22. All right.
All right, thank you, man. All right, we're in business. Let's head back to the dorm room and eat some sweet and sour chicken. I actually have a ton of video editing to catch up on. So I'm gonna get to doing that tonight, and tomorrow I'm gonna take you guys down to the driving school, and we're gonna go do some road testing and try to help some people out in the village. So that's the plan. Oh yeah, I can't open it. Flip the bag. Show you guys what we're dealing with here. There it is, pretty tasty. This is the sweet and sour chicken meal, freaking delicious, and they give you an egg drop soup with it. It's pretty good, but I don't have a spoon or a fork, so that could get interesting. Anyway, I'm gonna continue here with the editing and catch you guys in the morning. I just ran down the hall to get some water, and you're not gonna believe this, but it's literally 12 o'clock. It's midnight right now. Look how light it still is. 24 hours of sunlight. Crazy. See you guys in the morning. Good morning, everyone. Slept great. Hopefully the ice fog doesn't move in today. Looking slightly sketchy. So there's only one flight a day that comes to Barrow, and they canceled a few of them this past weekend, so. It's time to fly out of here, so looks like the weather is all right. So I think we're making it out. Let's go.
Welcome to Anchorage, local time 6:07. We ask everybody please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign.
And just like that, we're back in Anchorage. Well guys, I guess that's a wrap. This is kind of a different video, and I just wanted to show you guys what Barrow, Alaska is like from behind the wheel. And now you know. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to smash the like button down there and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace, y'all.